Welcome back to the Anatomy Lab. Today we are diving into an exciting and essential topic, fascia. It plays a key role in how we move and how flexible we feel. Fascia is a type of connective tissue. It surrounds and supports everything in your body. It's like the framework that holds everything together, helping your body to work as one smooth, coordinated system. In this video, we'll break down what fascia is, how it affects your range of motion, and why something called crosslinks might be holding you back. Plus, I'll show you some practical ways to keep fascia healthy and improve your flexibility. So, what is fascia? Fascia is like a 3D web that wraps around and connects all your muscles, bones, and organs. It's an intricate network that allows your body to move fluidly while still providing support. Fascia can stretch, slide, and adapt, depending on how you move or how long you stay still. But here's the key: fascia and muscles aren't separate. Fascia wraps around every single muscle fiber, bundling them together, and integrates them into a fully functional muscle group. This connection creates what we call the myofascial system. For example, if your hamstrings feel tight, they might actually be pulling on your lower back because of the way fascia links everything together. By addressing fascia, you can improve flexibility and move more efficiently. But fascia does more than just hold your body together. It's actively involved in how you move. While muscles generate force and tendons transmit that force to the bones, fascia distributes and balances force throughout the body, ensuring smooth motion. Fascia also plays a key role in balance and coordination thanks to its sensory receptors, which help the body sense tension and movement. When fascia becomes stiff or restricted, it can't stretch or glide properly. This happens when fascia becomes dehydrated, develops adhesions, or adapts to repetitive movements or poor posture. Stiff fascia can limit flexibility more than muscles. Think of fascia as a tightly woven net. When it stiffens, it restricts the muscles it surrounds, limiting their ability to stretch and move. Research by experts like Robert Schleib show that regular movement and stretching can make fascia more pliable, improving both flexibility and ease of motion. So we've already talked about adhesions. They are often referred to as crosslinks, or tiny connections, if you will, that form between layers of fascia. Under the microscope, these crosslinks resemble interwoven fibers and look and function pretty much like the hooks of Velcro. They bind layers tightly and restrict their movement. This makes it harder for fascia to glide smoothly and can lead to stiffness in that affected area. For example, sitting for long periods can cause crosslinks to form, especially in the fascia around your hips and lower back. It makes the tissue less flexible and harder for you to move. Another common cause is repetitive movements, which stress the same areas repeatedly. Finally, injuries like scars can create more rigid adhesions in fascia. They act like toughened patches in the tissue, and it makes it harder to restore smooth tissue glide. The good news is crosslinks aren't permanent, and you can do a lot to keep your fascia healthy yourself. So, here's some practical ways to do this. First of all, stretch regularly. Hold stretches for 1 to 3 minutes. Yes, 1 to 3 minutes, you heard it right. This enhances fluid flow in the fascia and improves the elasticity of your fascia. Also, you can try to move dynamically. Gentle bouncing or oscillating movements engage fascia's elastic properties and prepare tissues for motion. Also, you can try foam rolling. Applying pressure to fascia with a foam roller stimulates blood flow and reduces stiffness. You can learn everything about this in my video about fascia and foam rolling. If you really have the feeling that your layers of fascia are glued together, then I also would recommend to incorporate manual therapies. Techniques like deep tissue massage, cupping, or methods from the fascial distortion model are highly useful and they are really effective. They target fascia to improve the tissue glide and reduce stiffness. And as a last point that I want to share, but please stay consistent. If you do stretches, do them regularly. If you like to move around, do it regularly. If you get treatments, get them once in a while. I know it's a money thing, but it's very important to do these things over and over so you also see long-term results. I guess this is everything I have for you for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have thoughts, feedback, or questions, or want to criticize me, go ahead and do so in the comment section. I'm always looking forward what you guys have to say, because I have to say there are a lot of knowledgeable people in the audience, and it's always good to hear other perspectives. Anyway, I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a good day.